na NDC for na ya mo ho osre hwe say all of a sudden NDC for ni bia sha ase ye John Mahama kro betimi akotetem on nkrase se mo masha because I tell you say John Mahama o mu sesa mra na ye nyina be campaign at NDC enti NDC for nso na make kasa kire mo no sa kasa na enye kasa eye papa amugusu na ye mema John Mahama akotetem munyai ka obitimi ka say MPP betine fiache be 40 years na ye mesre enti NDC for no munyai se mu ase mu amu nunum ho na mo sre mamu nya mage ti se bia ye mu bi eni ha ti se bia mu be chi ye nyina ya tum ti se bia mu nyina mu kuyen na se John Mahama mu be da na manaka chense obetimi akotetem ensi da. It will never happen in this country.
NDC Nana Jantuah of Enshira FM abe clash with His Excellency the President John Mahama as I send a strong warning to him. That is NDC party members who are Canada Chiro in fact were blasting woman. Me who said that Nana Jantuah both say that we are blasting woman after winning a constitution now. NDC for be to go Mahama so say on son near memo our constitution. Nana Jantuah Chiro says Mahama a mistake. As the Saka constitution then Kagala Ijabitum. And so Nana Jantuah abroso there. Enye easy. I have Penyah broke media. Best was any demo. Well, like video, no other one subscribe to the Samba notification and conflict. Now, better why in their mammy. I will comment as best was Baswa. No, you know, for any be ashy. It is since 1992 in the history of Ghana, Mahama is the first president or the first person to become supreme leader in Ghana. Since 1992, constitution was made. Mahama is the first president to become a supreme leader, having 2/3. Enye easy. 2/3. 2/3 of the house. Into now 2/3 of one. It remember say MP before their presence in the parliament house now is useless because there's nothing like opposition. 2/3 of Mahama Enyana. It remember say there is nothing like opposition. You can't oppose anything because now omu majority 2/3 is that the omu yebiano. Hey, omu nya deba parliament ya omu abedia tumu. Omu ihe bibia for police ka mpa monko omu abeto aba omu bibia. It is supreme leader Mahama abenyano. The emama ho kwan ni one. Always ma holding referendum. Yes, a process this is some of the entrenched provisions in the constitution. So when I was also some of the entrenched provisions in the constitution, they also holding referendum. Like now for you now, you try again. I want to say, "Person man quiet another day." Emrano, everyone question now. Wait for holding referendum. The constitution, even some of the entrenched provisions, you know, obey to me as a son with ease by holding a referendum. After from the unentrenched provisions in the constitution, Mahama can freely make amendments. Just obey to make changes freely. Obey to my without anybody standing to oppose it. Because on any domino and a war. Is that be a buyer? I'm not for any King Mahama assumes, oh, any on that constitution, you know, Peromusa can go to no black man of my ministry. Is one of my best supreme to Peromusa and then it's Hadia Mahama. On the constitution, no one to go for another term, no matter third president. And no, I'm not jump to a bem. I don't tell the hair. More guys, I am going to history. And Korea is oh, declare no president for life. And you are called by Ghana, you do not hear so. 2010, Lauren Bago, and Ouattara, Cote d'Ivoire, but when I say, oh, it's a constitution, not go for another term, not be a third term president. Oh, Cote d'Ivoire. Oh, man, Tiasi, Emma, a lead to war. A nipper over 3,000 any year. 80 Jantuah, I catch him, how I mistake. No, the second constitution in the Anaka Ghana or any bet Chiam, oh, Munye. Obemana so aye shit e wo Ghana hanom
ehia no ntiasema wuke ontiasie se abrochire Donald Trump ono ane nkrofo timi kasa de a wo ye nye ba yenye nya hwe ene John Mahama issue and quickly na maba hwe se all of a sudden NDC for ni bia sha ase ye John Mahama kro betimi akotetem John Mahama kra se ye oye ni ye kra ye be pusia no asesa mra no
and one say Ablekumanoff about to Basono is raising a lot of things, super majority, where if the NDC take seats no Ebema cross 184 no and there are a lot of issues and these are some of the things
one say adwene na ekuta nipa no no enye se odwene Ghana ni ne ho nemom enyoma bi e ko Togo aye ka ho asem de e ko so Cote d'Ivoire obi atimi asesa mmranim asa akofoforo no eno bi because say John Mahama aba enti yem pushia na ewie a obekọ tetem na adwene ne nye de okọ tetem anu obusa say na 4 years no unemployment na 14.1 no John Mahama de tia basen onwene hu sa o say John Mahama opese be kof tetem which I don't think he would even dare do that.
No,
because I tell you, Sir John Mahama, almost a summer now, you never company at NDC.
Yeah.
Sir John Mahama, metis obey now NDC for Nayam who was 3. Munimrano, John Mahama na crano, on Yana say, or because I as a summer.
Nana, me crady say, Koye, say, be a Utimi, we a president out, transfer Utimi Cote Tempa, na say, ban near baby, and near wo.
Onye
Nanka will be. I think say fellas kwacho for social.
No, but you see, sometimes repeated ubetimiaka. But when it become more repeated,
and it seems like,
and you are dealing with African politicians, African politicians don't trust them.
Now, say sometimes Nana they bring these issues to test the waters. I say almost said that can no muti the any pane can identity. Who say majority now say oh okay we are born home more than it's me a year. Then they file it from there.
That is how they start.
But you want to say
before so paper chomade. John Mahama. Onim say initially ulusu ye no. Na on person obebebi. Ne yere catch and say man in mebi. Ne nkrofo tu ne fo say ye. Nana Akufo-Addo the same thing. Olusu 2018 to 2012 no. Na busuafo e ben ne catch and say oyare man in mebi. But they no sesa na adwen. E nipa no. The people around be catch say no. And John Mahama could have a situation where say mempe. But nipa around Obeka say bra who to me
Ghana for pewasa
the omani je ho it is a yenso stopping is say anka say hey men sha say kra who do the wi we mobi meto aso a I can tell you as an African politician John Mahama so ye nipa twa ne ho asia obi abetimi apushi na ka chen say masa fakọ na bibia nsi obi ya na okuta security. Matara is a case study.
Nana, you see, Nana, the reason why I disagree a little is that the John Mahama phase 2 idiot, Nana Minyosho's obeys are mistaken. It will be a mistake to his legacy.
And Nana Akufo-Addo say, or shall see you?
Oh, but Nana, unse.
Nana Akufo-Addo shall see you.
Nana, anytime I say, oh, share 2000. Even Rollins handed over power. Nana, I don't think Mama will go to that.
But Rollins, no, if you know the history, it wasn't as simple as ye. There were a lot of type 2 diplomacy.
Yes.
I fair chile.
Yes, Nana.
And Sana.
And in fact, okay, Manase, you are right. Okay, Manase book Road Tunfo played. Midnight I in see at 2 baby. The 2-4 year no say no match and is there. Banana, also what baby a free banana agree with you is that one of the issues I am and might yet me having meaningful conversation, yet mean demanding leadership no. The thinking of Nana supporters. The thinking.
Yeah.
Inti Nana Adiakra Kojo Jantuah can be buano no. First no, the inclination ye Kojo Jantuah tan NDC. Kojo Jantuah mpem PP asem. Inti no on funny Nana Kojo Jantuah kano. He's coming from a place of prejudice. Now, what I say, but in advanced countries, the difference is that it's me Bonagent Trump, Republican senator, it's me Bonagent public Richard Trump. Now, what I say, so then be devoid of one personal feelings and idea. No, it's me Bonagent president. Ye nyana sa Ghana ha, and Nana, it is dangerous. Nenti dangerous is Nana. Politician to me, yeah, dear Pam. I'm a clear example. This week, I'm saying Saturday, my mom.
Yeah.
Oche PMS press Unia John your friend saying Justin Kodia Evans Busano I said you can just say ye is in free ye is a free defending and I was mean to mean defending Nana Dientia ye the one and ni ablekumano for the when who see defending easier in ye Dentia 7 months in opposition. So that's what I always say ye discussing national issues Nana friends de bia meka for when people know when this system tonchen and then ye the word Justin Kodia you know say John Mahama ni NDC be so mu yi Germans ani easier o defend ye there na asasa
nso na no die
Nana obi ni what Ghana how be comfortable with this easy am kan okre me shebi life but man say 3 polling station mu ya security and then what's 19 and then 19 ABM people okay so bene Justin Kodia say on to be defend the EC. But a few months ago they were defending the EC on South. It's in a catch us. So young people near this years. Chasana who Chinese ACN. 1 year co excesses no more. Now we're supporting and no. NDC be co-position. Be do members. Obe TM sa Kojo Jantuah kebi ma. Ebi ana Kojo Jantuah ye din. Si de bia me catch us say oh power. The standard now will set no co-position no na ye de be jage wo. Eno a. Eh? How na do so kan say me na man for adwama. Na na de na isi ne na dangerous. Na imagine 2020 hang parliament. Na saadi asemu yesia. Do you know the ramifications on power?
Yeah.
Omoto aye okay. 7 months Ablekuma no for ni represented in parliament. 7 solid months. 4 years saw enya representation. But near Unkufo Kromo mutimi study defend the easy way. And 7 months in opposition. Justin Kodia, me said you been a flyer na. Join news. Also want to be defend the easy no. Is it be a make say oh power here John Mahama o to me o to me. But ne will be defending excesses of John Mahama and this will be defending and no. Can we say power and town? Nana Junior Jesus create power. They be a case me America. Nana ko a center of Penyah be job double casa. Ono kra nana or handy over power. Job double casa handy over power. Mubutu se seko kunkumbedu azambanga or handy over power. And an NDC be free abanso. MPP be free abanso. So what we must insist for them to do is the right thing. Because nana omo the right thing in opposition e be benefit wo bia. So omo ye police ye MPP co opposition be benefit wo. Omo ye EC yom co opposition be benefit wo. Omo ye EC here e co opposition be benefit. Omo ye NCC be benefit wo. By the be the selfish interest ni ye yom yodium nana me se me hwe interview hey MPP ne Justin Kodia
ai why you say o mama na ye useless in some of kan ye ni nyina JFK on come me na me nia no but this time I wasn't call resign because the way a party na man na ye useless say what dey abufuo we are not going to
Ablekuma no for na ade awura so obeko
general secretary ye mu
now ba umi akodonate Brian akodonate and all those things for the campaign
general secretary now was here din ketia kam wo NDC a why ne betimi aka say not even John Mahama cha say din ketia ka heya. Not even John Mahama can disagree. Yeah. But one say, yeah, JFK useless.
Nana is because onye consistent. Some of the reprimands or the bawo party leaders ni party for making comments or radio near there. Then sa attempt no make yes or yemia sanction binum. He wasn't consistent. Ebinimo ya na yeja wo ma se omo de yenka wo ma se ebi nso ya na atwere ho letter wo de ye be suspend wo ye de be committee it they saw that akoyete say wama or ye leader on shedanye
the next is part of it
but
una wo di ani mu
who is the CEO of the party
Nana TC the highest decision making body of the party is the delegate conference. The second highest decision making body is the National Executive Council, which is the NEC. Nana the general secretary report the decisions of the NEC. Nana Tiamio Menkasa Justin Kodia akwakwa you I'm not whitewashing him, but I'm saying that Ablekuma dey neck ne take a decision. No na be den ebe communicate decision. But I'm saying that on the matter of the EC any conversation I would abey. When the EC was also doing things and anana enye papa no. What did the MPP say? Then what I say? I will not forge as Kodia because we're chief executive. She's the official chief administrator. Yeah, neck cannot be catched. And I'm saying, say, Brana EC by Facebook 2020 the results were for the buy. Then MPP kind. Ko ye win bibia okay. Ye di bi wo mani Ablekuma. Nana won semfo and EC do Ablekuma. In fact, 3 polling stations omo ka say ya stand in the Kwadwo. 19 after buy no ba kon ka ho. In which serious jurisdiction will allow this to happen? But MPP defend it. Nana NDC abemomre kakra bi. They will be the PROs of the EC. Most of them co-position no more came. Sani parties niti. That is why I always repeat myself and say national issues there. MPP NDC fenton chain. Because nana si amoma anya better standard. Oh abema omu de bediu. Uko position omu de bediu.
All right. Bra Facebook na ye pese ye kire wade on the issue of having said that, then Chayebeko Ablekuma Hwako monitor nyoma kakra. Now, based on that, you perceive a can straight. I just want to make say me repeat it. Yera John Mahama minimo wakumem na esanse uye nipa wutimi sesenti ena yegusu tufo se obi da wo se obetimi akotete menso so minimo waka se enya ade abekọ enkofo bebre ni da wo so piasofo ne ahemfo ne mpanyifo a se obi ebo abaso ne wonne yeye esansa wo ya manoni nti ewo se ka kirew onkrofo na hyase e ka obetimi akotete wadaruma pie bra bontre ne sabe repeat although se Felix akade ba ye pese ye tifi wan kase wano ne ka kire ye nyina ye se o 4 years ni wi a wo nkobiem yera John Mahama wadaruma ye srew papa be ka kire ye efrisa ye mpene ma wo nkotetem emfa enti ye pese ye tifi wan kase wano biem enya wo spokesperson ano say wo say me John Mahama president me wie me 4 term me wie me this term and last term ni me nkobiem because NDC for no masha se keka sa nyoma ni good trim no uye nipa no timi sesa yemfa ne sa keke and I'm serious about this but down my papa yemfa ne sa keke if we say a bibifo amanyofo mutrim odin if we say a bibifo amanyofo yen trust mu bebre every say a before manusfo mo petumi enti bibia mo de benya tumi bia mo beye yera John Mahama so far so good but the person free one na say repeat say uwie a unko biem because ye ma wonko anyesa omayi enye papa emma obia oye Ghana ni it means that constitution no opese osesa no emra no nso wo ekwan a so obi pese osesa constitution na de asie so we name history and I'm sure you are a student of politics we name history no enti NDC for nso na make kasa kire mo no sa kasa na enye kasa eye papa a mugusu na ye mema John Mahama akota tem munyai na yantwe ma obia ma mo ma de mo pe mo de sesi a mo ba ye ntimani age mo sometimes some of you are interested as a muni politics here 2016 na NDC free so no en sama na MPP for kenye NDC mabiem NDC asa John Mahama incompetent no ano no aya mu nkenkan history de bia mete saa na me obitimi ka se MPP betena fiache be 40 years na ya mesre na wo time ye to ma wo na ade be na wa sase elusu aba so unim politics and I know John Mahama president onim yenya to aba ma na yesu in asha se de bia na vote so te de bia na vote so te ye de yehu bi for the past 20 years yehu jeje de yehu kofo yehu NDC de yehu MPP de yebetimi aka say ene ye to abasesi ana yera John Mahama enya ne te se de onya no enoma bi wo ho a oya nkofo ani nje ho na vote na sase ete entuban se 2028 yebeto aba no se NDC be wini mpo a onya sa seat na onya no 2024 no na so te eno na ekọ nanima na nipa no ohu afro yen na afi yesesa sa na eto ya aba ayire so aye 8 years e wo Ghana ha ayire so aye 8 years enti NDC for no munyai se mu ase mu amu nunum ho na mo sere mamu nya mage ti se bia ye mu bi eni ha ti se bia mu be chi ye nyina ya tum ti se bia mu nyina mu ku yen na se John Mahama mu be da na manaka chen se obetimi akotetem ne ensi da it will never happen in this country entina me se minim se onya na adwen se woko but ye can we because mum bia sase ye so ye betimi ama na akotetem emfa onye hwe watara bra Facebook ne be he watara ne babo tina so na opese wo yesa entokwa esi wo Cote d'Ivoire sometimes you need to know the history entokwa esi between Laurent Gbagbo and watara because now watara na yesi wa wini but Laurent Gbagbo pese o tintwim ne nsa onim because of that nkofo we mienu nipa wuye fa beto so quickly ne nye wo mu mienu nie Kofi say wo mienu.
Yeah, nana.
Papa we na no te so babu. O se wo mfiri so.
Yeah.
Enti Watara wi no so mfiri so. Emma some nkofo because of nkofo unim nipa ewu ye. Go and get me the number of people who die because of some penifo boni we mu. Watara ne babu omu mienu a supporters nkofo wuwu ye man nkofo the die street because of penifo we mienu. Do you know what happened? Afia dru baabi no na uma ba be namfo.
Yeah.
Nkofo in ema nkofo wu ye enkwada wu ye NDC ne MPP wo mu wo eyi ewu ye no omu wie ye no na Watara anyway aba be ye namfo and as say omu sre.
Yeah.
Na Watara time aso we did 10 years awie na watimi asesa constitution no e say to aso it is so Cote d'Ivoire papa we baby awadri na ye say to aso ye kan won ti ase ECOWAS oni ho yera John Mahama o kan ECOWAS fo no ho o kan ECOWAS Togo president baako o so mfiri so o maka den enti so no ye bia na ECOWAS fo support no enyo politics intini e betra ha ye yes anyoma no. We will not allow Yera John Mahama so be try tet o mani kran tra ontimi ene se ne entia hwe Ghana ni nyobia dia o Ghana nya NDC dia ye to aba ma be ye de be ye memma be ye de open no aka say wo to me bi ntu be so sesa ko ensi da wo krom ha. Because look at this, the number of people who died in December 2010. Both Babo and Watara assumed the presidency, triggering a short period of civil conflict in which about 3,000 people were killed.
Yeah.
3,000 people were killed because of Nkokrafo Emienu. People died because of Sankofo Mewukwa and then Sankofo Wesre.
And interestingly,
what are we talking about?
Watara no a ono no na o prese Laurent Gbagbo be free so no so etumi ababetwa so no nana ono no na ofin so oba as a saint a ono no ba chese obe ma bibia ye pepepe no knowing say ono so wata ayi adwene no lo e free mu ono ne time do so be free so no o so wasa san constitution for a third term and he did that court no so boa no successfully wadi akonani
because Samuel John Mahama at the Supreme Court for
yes. And this tells you say Watara so na wakada say on san kote tembim no wakada enti no ohwe ani mu say ni PMB ena nka beba be den abetena so gon no sa de omo friend gon no ono na nka ohwe ani mu so ono beba abetena so abelidi ne party na nka omatumi aye den aye successful nana papa ni wuye no ena Watara ena adwen say mesan so aye den asa kote tem ba no obie na no aka say onko biem. Yeah. Edi said your work canon udika because there's precedence. Yeah. Ewo baby fufro. Obi aka se won ko bi.
Muka ECOWAS ho. ECOWAS for ntimi anka ho hwe.
Sure.
Term limit respect it. So what Cote d'Ivoire and Togo is doing is stop it. Waka.
Now they have successfully changed their constitution.
But I'm saying that in a matter of principle, you should be able to say that.
That you don't like it.
You don't like it.
Stop
it. Near who said diplomatically, no. What's the say? Countries must respect their sovereign constitution.
I understand your point.
Term limit here, term limit. Near who say Yera John Mahama on record
have said this.
Have said this. It's part of diplomacy.
On behalf of Ghana.
On behalf of Ghana and as a person.
Okay.
Tell me, so we don't change the constitution.
But how I see John Dramani Mahama, the president, His Excellency, me not sure say
things can change or your politician.
Because all the presidents, another country, dia baba won see your politics no, hano. Different from this.
Obienu no nti na Kufu Ado, obetimi asesa. Masa jai me say politics.
Bibi etimi say
my young man so na ye twetwe nkomo. Emi bafo redu we free so. Politics share that African politics only omu delay ahwe because you're a politician.
I don't say Ghana no dey me who ni say ha no say the politics in city unlike the Burkina Ivory Coast no more those war-torn countries no be no and shedan tesa and me sure say John Dramani Mahama would even tempt you.
Sure you see you are the enuna ama America for no we dey anya hwe asema mi mani abrake won so be fun so enya de opesa but enya listen, you are dealing with a politician, be careful. Don't trust a politician. Omu petumi.
Yeah.
Don't trust a politician. And so I may say se me kyerɛ wo nyo enyo nyo manya no metumi aka na me kyerɛ wo nyo ma na Akufo Addo ne Kenofori atake kan bɔ mu e wo man yi mu a na me bebia wo nimbe so say papa we na yes because issues ni ba na e ka cho say na Akufo Addo nim hu bi Kenofori atanim hu bi a on ka say wo no na aye
sure
or you politician and in African politics no anything can happen.
Yeah.
So don't assume so me nya sure there be pain no na wonti me meka say me John Mahama me say kabim one say you force say na Akufo Addo man ko kan LGBT ho asem die ntina na eka no aka no baabi but you force na ma ne gusu kan ya ma Dr. Bawumia anka bi ya ma ne kan because politicians are doing sisa John Mahama so ma ne kan LGBT me boa enti ya ma ne sound de beyond repeat
se me nko biem me John Dramani Mahama me nko tete
because utiefo soldiers na utiefo soldier if I talk too much you clear off if you are listening to me and you think I talk too much because I kasa na me kasa and you say I won't pay because we NDC near you free way when anamo buy anamo purchase say
so some have it in mind say
what are you talking about?
Whether you like it or not Mahama will go for
tete say ya we ya bobon na Akufo Addo film left and right no mewa waba yeah Nana Akufo Addo left and right now we enjoy and the one can say I talk too much I will talk too much too much kasa na na be ka kopem say ultimi ntie ne yi free ho bia for so
no ma ye
ope kra NDC nkran kasa mo boycott show no me fa
there be na term de ho aba kosem de
se bi wo ha ye ka wonti ase obonse beduru ba bi na ate afa so ene shan na kwankasa na ye wi a ablekuma ne exam